Assalamu alaikum, gentlemen. My name is Talha Yusuf. I'm going to tell you the failure ISSB mistakes. If you overcame these mistakes, then and the next test is essay. Essay is a projective test. They show you a paragraph and you have to write 3 to 4 pages, about 300 words or 200 words on that paragraph. So you have to write a clean, you have main points in that essay. They will attract your essay. And after that, the psych will come, and he also give you a biodata form of psych, and you have to write on the last unforgettable moment, saddest moment, weirdest moment, awkward moment, adventurous moment of your life. So you have to know about these moments of your life. Move to next day. The next day is a psych day. You have to report in Johor Hall, and the first test is officer's personality inventory, that is OPI. And then you will give the test of mechanical aptitude test, that is called MAT. And after that, they will give you 4 sheets of sentence completion. 2 is in English and 2 is in Urdu. You have to complete 26 sentences in just 6 minutes. After that, they will give you a dossier and you have to write 100 sentences on Word, and each word shown on projective. And it will skip in just 10 seconds. That is called word association test. After that, you have to make a story on a picture. They showed a picture about 3 to 4 minutes, and you have to make a story. You have to make a good theme in that story. Then you will make a best story. And the next is pointer story. They give you one line and you have to proceed one line and make a story. And the next test is situation reaction test. You have to complete all the situations in a given time and you have 1 to 2 lines to fulfill that situations. And after that, you have to write your merits and demerits from friend's view and opponent's view. The main tip of psych test: you have to complete all sentences, all the things. You first of all complete it, and second, you have to add your demerits. You have to add your merits in your story, your hobbies, your interest in your stories. You have a plus point in that way. The next is GTO dimension. The first test of GTO is lecture rate or public speaking. First of all, he will give you 2 topics and you have to choose one topic. And on that topic, you have to speak on about 2 to 3 minutes. So I will give you a tip: be confident and you have a nice tone. Your voice should be clear and loud. And you should have the bullet points on that topics. So then you will speak confidently. And the next task is military planning. Gentlemen, the main tip of this task: you have to listen his briefing carefully. And then he will give you just 15 minutes to complete the plan. He will give you one paper and one pen on which you have to write a mission, your procedure, your timing. And then he will call one by one to represent his plan. So speak confidently and speak on your plan. Speak that plan that you have written on a paper. And the next task is PGT. You have been given with 40 to 45 minutes and you have to complete 3 tasks in PGT. This is a group task and you also have a material, for example, plank, rope, drum. And the main tip is that first of all you have a good lecture rate and good military planning. Then you will automatically make a good bound in group. The plank will move on your voice. Everyone should follow your plan. And the next task is semi-group task and also called half group race. This is a very simple task. You have to pick some type of luggage like a dummy or a tire and you have to pass obstacles. And after that we move toward barracks and you have to change in a formal dress because you have to give a deputy interview. Before deputy interview, you have to give a group discussion on 2 topics. One will be in Urdu and one will be in English. The main tip for the group discussion, you have to take initiative. You have to speak only 1 minute, at least 1 minute, and see only who is talking. Group discussion is a very important task. And after that, you will go towards deputy interview. In deputy president interview, he will check you according to your biodata form. He will cross check you. I will give you one tip in interviews. Be yourself and speak truth. This is the main point of interview. And that's it. And the last day of GTO contain 3 tasks. The first one is command task, and the second one is obstacles, and the last one is order of merit. So the first is I will talk on obstacles. You have to complete 9 obstacles, as you may know. So we should talk on command task. First of all, GTO will take a small interview of you according to your biodata form. It is a very simple, and he will tell you the out of bound and inbound your task. In this task, you will be a commander, and then you will call your group in a louder voice in a best tone. After that, you will make a plan. You have to tell what the thing, this pit is out of bound for material, this pit is out of bound for everything, this pit is out of bound for only material. That's it. It is also like a PGT, progressive group task. You have to complete these tasks, and you also have a materials, plank, rope, drum, and you have to complete in just 15 minutes. And the last task is order of merit. They will provide you one paper and one pen, and you have to rank your group mates according to your tasks. So, gentlemen, speak truth and also write truth. So, gentlemen, I believe these things that should be improve your ISSB. The first one is your appearance. The main one is appearance. Your dressing sense in your interview, what you are wearing, your confidence matters, your tone matters, your facial expression matters. You should be ready for the next task. You should not be worried about the previous tasks. Believe me, gentlemen, ISSB is not difficult. It is very simple.